Good morning, guys. I just wanted to put together a quick screencast of what we're doing so that you've got it on the Google Classroom. We'll cover all this in our Zoom class today, but I want to make sure that you could go back and check it again. This is a little project we're going to be working on throughout today, the rest of this week, and then have it done for the beginning of next week. It shouldn't take you all that long to do, but I'd like it done by our Tuesday class. I believe I have both of you guys on Tuesday, and it's a nice little way to kind of share what we've learned maybe throughout. So the HIIT project, so HIIT stands for high intensity interval training. So we're going to build a huge resource where everybody comes up with a workout and then creates a little infographic style display. And then I will give everyone access to this document and you can create a page. So when we're done, we should have 40 different workouts with a little, infographic type thing on a page that says this is Scarrett's workout, for example, and then one for everybody else. So one of the ways we can use it, or we can create it, is using Adobe Spark, which has a lot of free aspects to it as well. There's a couple that I've made already, just as practice. But just to give you a quick overview of when you're doing this, you can use whatever program you want. It doesn't matter to me, but it should have some sort of picture in the background, and then your workout kind of through the middle. So if we went create a project, okay, and then actually if you just come up to let's go create a project, and then view all. That way you can see everything. If you hit continue, you can zip right past this. And then I did a bunch of searches already, but let's say I just do search for fitness, and that gives us a background of fitness. If you look at all these different examples, the ones with that little yellow thing, you need the paid account, so you just have to choose a free one. So there's none here, like this one. So we'll create off of this. Okay, and then it loads up the background, and then we'll add in our workouts. Okay, so one of the things you can do to come up with exercises for your workouts is a simple Google search of body weight exercises, or if you want to search HIIT, so high intensity interval training workouts, whatever. Okay, and it often gives you a list of different exercises there, and then there'll be a number of different workouts all throughout. And even if you wanted to go to images, you can see examples of other things. See all these different ones. And remember, we talked about Derby. That's Derby's type of things. Okay, so there's lots of stuff out there for you to find, or resources that you can use. So just find something that you kind of like for your workout. So if you go back to here, anything that's got like words already typed, you can just click on it and you can edit it. Okay, so this is a picture that you can either leave or get rid of. It doesn't really matter. Let's say for this example, I'm going to get rid of it. Okay, and these I can just edit it by going here. And instead of unlimited fitness, maybe I'm going to go with let's say squats, enter, push-ups, and list all my exercises: burpee, plank, jumpy jacks. So I've come up with a list of exercises already that instead of copy and paste it straight in, which I probably should have done, I've decided to go this way. Okay, and let's say I got 10 there, because I'm going to put 10 in. I'll do mine up later. Okay, so you see how it fits in, and then you can stretch it out. Okay, you can move it around. Okay, move it there, and maybe I'll take this one and I'll move this one down. Oh, that turns, doesn't move. So you can play around with that. Oh, there we go. So we got to move that down, and maybe I want to straighten it out. Okay, so you can do a bunch of different things. I'm going to leave this this in here. Join today. I'm just going to change to scare. Oh, gotta go edit, and we'll go change the words to Scarrett's HIIT. Okay, that shows up there, and then we can stretch this out a bit. We can move this up if we want. Okay, move it around. So you got to create it to whatever you really like. Okay, this is just, I'm just doing this one quickly. so on and so forth. Then just go up here. You can go download, okay, and start your download. It usually goes to your computer into your downloads. See down here, I've got post 9 is the one I've got. Then I come up to our HIIT project. Okay, I'm going to add in probably just going to stay with a blank white one for now. Okay, and then I'm going to insert an image from my computer. I'm going to go down to where it says post 9, double click it, and then it shows up here. Okay, so then my workout will be page number 3, for example, and then the next guy would come in and he would add, if he wants to have different, you can go with a different one if you want, like if you want to do different colors and stuff, you're welcome to, but then we're going to end up with like 45 pages worth of workouts, which should be kind of neat. Okay, so we'll talk about it more in class today, but I just want to make sure, like I said, that you guys had access to the reminders of what we're doing, as well as for guys who maybe missed the class, they'll have it as well. And that'll be that. Talk to you soon.